Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and today we're drawing a fully surprised kitten. Are you ready? Let's do this. Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. We're gonna start folding the paper in half. Then we're gonna take the bottom part and fold in half again. Now we're gonna flip it over and fold one more time. And then we're gonna open it, you're gonna flip it, and we're gonna start drawing right here. Hello little artists, today we're drawing a fully surprise kitten. And these kittens are actually very special. These are kitty cane. And this idea came for this book that I found the other day for my kids. I love this book and I'm not gonna spoil these for you, but if you want this book, you can find it in the description box below. We're gonna start with this folding surprise for a kitty cane. We're gonna do first the outside part. So underneath the folding part, we're gonna start with the nose, and I'm just gonna do a triangle shape, an upside down triangle for the nose. And underneath, we're gonna do one curve to the left, one curve to the right, and that's gonna be the mouth. Next, we're gonna do big eyes for these kitties, and we're gonna do a circle. And inside, we're gonna do a big circle and a small circle, and this is gonna be the highlight of the eye. Once that we have these, we can actually fill with black around it. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing in the other side. I'm gonna do a big circle with one and two little circles and fill with black. Underneath the left eye, I'm gonna do an oval shape, and this is gonna be one of his paws, and I'm gonna do one and two lines inside. I'm gonna leave about a finger space. I'm gonna do another circle that is gonna be the paw, and I'm gonna do one and two lines. Next, we're gonna do the face. So I'm gonna start here in the middle. I'm gonna connect these two circles with a line. And now I want to imagine this line pass in behind, and I'm gonna go up, crossing the folding part and going around. So I'm gonna turn my paper a little, and I want to continue doing this circle. I want to cross the folding part and connect with the paw here. Now let's do the ears, and for the ears, I want to start on the left side, and I'm going to do kind of like a triangle shape like this. And from the corner, I'm going to go down with a curve. I'm going to do that again. I'm going to do a triangle shape and a curve inside. Next, I'm gonna do the whiskers, and these whiskers are gonna be underneath the folding part, and I'm just gonna do one and two lines on each side. There. That's it for the outside part. Now let's open the paper. And the first kitten I'm gonna do is the one on the bottom. For this kitten, I'm gonna do first the paws that are on his head. For the second kitten, kind of like on top of this eye, I'm gonna do an oval shape, and make sure do not cross the folding part, and we're gonna do one and two lines. I'm gonna leave about 2 finger space here, and I'm gonna do a second paw, and it's gonna be the same thing, just an oval shape and one and two lines. Now that we have these two, we're gonna cross this line and connect with the paw, cross this line and connect here, and in the middle I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna do the head rounded right here. Okay, now after the paws, we're gonna draw the ears, and make sure do not cross the folding part. So we're gonna do here a triangle shape and come back down, and in the other side, in behind this paw, I'm gonna do a triangle shape, come down, and you can just see part of the line. Now let's repeat this process now up here. These paws are gonna be on the folding part, okay? And I'm gonna do again oval shape across the folding part, and I'm gonna put one and two lines. I'm gonna leave about 2 finger space, and I'm gonna do one more oval shape with one and two lines. Now I'm gonna draw the head going from this paw up here and connect it with these ones. The same on this side, like that, and we're gonna close in the middle for the head. Now I want to repeat these steps here in the middle, and remember to pause the video if you need more time to do this part. Now here I'm gonna put the whiskers down here with 2 lines. And I'm gonna draw the ears and make sure these ears do not cross the folding part. Now let's draw the cat here on the top, and the first thing we're gonna do is the 2 paws that are on top of the last cat here. So I'm gonna leave about 2 finger space. You're gonna draw following these lines again, 1 and 2 oval shapes for the paws. Okay, so I'm gonna put here my 2 lines. And if you see, I'm following the same line with my paws, and these ones are about halfway this folding part. Now let's do the head again, going from this paw, connecting with this one, the same on this side, and a line in the middle. Okay, now for this cat, I want to change the face a little, and instead of doing these big eyes, I'm going to do just 2 upside down letter U's, and I'm passing the marker twice just to make these eyes a little thicker, and I'm going to do the nose the same way. I'm gonna put here the whiskers, and we're gonna draw the ears. So next to this paw, I'm gonna go with a triangle shape, a line. Now we can finish our last cat, and the only thing I'm gonna do is cross the line on the folding part and connect here, and the same thing here, cross the folding line and connect here. And now you can draw the face, the same eyes of any of these cats. Just make sure do not cross the folding part. The face needs to fit underneath here. Okay, to finish this up, we're gonna do the tails, but because these are kitty canes, we're gonna do the tails looking like a candy cane. So I'm gonna start on the second kitten, and I'm gonna go in behind the whiskers, and I'm going to go around, curving, and I'm gonna make the tail look a little bit more straight than normal, just like that. So let's put a couple tails on this side and on this side. So we're gonna go like this. And then on this side, maybe I'm gonna put one more in behind these whiskers. Just like that. And there, that's it. We finished these cute kitty canes. And now my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my picture turned out with this cute kitty cane. I leave this kitty all by himself outside, but remember, you can change this. You can actually build around him some Christmas scenery. You can put some presents or something you like for this Christmas season. Now let's check how it looks in the inside. And here are all my kittens. You can change the direction of the lines. I tried to keep it the same direction so they didn't look too funky. I think they look cute. I think this is something different. At the end, I wait until the red marker was dry, and I pass with a white crayon or a white color pastel. You can do this shine all over their heads or underneath their eyes. These can help make them look a little shiny and give it a little bit of like a 3D shape. And also at the end, I grabbed a lighter color gray and I went around on their cheeks, on their ears, and around their eyes, and that also helps making it look a little bit more 3D. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time.